Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys very simply how to add and delete rows and columns on your Microsoft Excel program. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is, let's say we want to add another column along the top. So let's say I want another column to appear in between B and C. So this is going to be pretty simple. So you want to select whatever column you want to be on the right side of the new column we're adding. So if we want one in between B and C, I'm going to select the C column here, and then I'm going to right click on C up at the top, and then I'm going to left click on Insert, and there you go guys, we see we have a new column in here. And how to delete a column is very simple. Just right click on the column letter up at the top, and then left click on Delete. Very simple. And the same kind of concept applies for rows as well. So on the left side here, I'm going to go put another row in between Randall and Roxanne. So I'm going to select Roxanne, right click on the number 5 on the left side, and then left click on Insert, and you can see another row has been inserted in between Randall and Roxanne. And again, the process of deleting is the exact same that we did with columns. Just would right click on the number of the row here, and then left click on delete, and that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.